Hello guys, this is HTML part 2. If you like to learn HTML and if you are a beginner, first thing you should do, you should watch my first video, the part 1. I have given the link in the description. So please watch the part 1 then part 2. In today's video, I am going to teach you about the heading tag in detail. In today's video, I am going to teach you about HTML heading tags. HTML headings are defined with the H1 to H6 tags. H1 defines the most important heading. Okay, and H6 defines the least important heading. Now, what is the most important heading and what is the least important heading? Let's see through a practical example. At first, open the notepad and write down HTML tag. We all know that we have to start with HTML tag. I mentioned in previous video, my part 1 video. Then followed by the head tag. Then should be the title tag. Title can be anything. Now I am giving abc.com. Then title in tag. Then should be the head in tag. Then the body begins. Okay, first we have to use H1 tag. Okay, I'm writing down my YouTube channel name. Now end head tag. Okay, fine. Then I'm copying this, then paste over here again and again for the 6th time, because H1 to H6 tag are there. So H1 I'm giving H2, here I'm giving H3, here I'm giving H4, then H5, and like this. At last I am giving H6. Now body should end, and at last HTML end tag. We all know we have to give. Now we have to save. File name I am giving D2, and file extension should be html.html. We all know that this is mandatory. Now click on the save button. Okay, go to the desktop. Here the file, open with a browser. I'm using Google Chrome right now. Here's the output. See what happened. This is the most important heading and this is the least important heading. You can compare with the input also. Okay, you can see input and output together. Thank you. If you have any query regarding this video, please let me know in the comment section. And to watch my latest video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.